Hi, this is Stephanie Schumacher with eXp Realty, and there is my colleague Sarah Haas, and we're standing in front of this awesome new property that we're going to list. What's the address, Sarah?
124289 Ocean View Parkway, Black Sands Beach, Pāhoa, Hawaii.
Awesome.
Welcome.
Awesome. So as you can see, Sarah's walking down the driveway.
We have some beautiful Eureka palms here that line the driveway on both sides.
Oh, nice tea plants.
Coconuts, more teas, variegated teas, more coconut lining the whole driveway. We have a beautiful pond that hasn't been completed here.
Wow, that's awesome. Oh, look, it's even got the pipe that could feed into it. Really cool. So you just have to line it, and there you go. Put some fish in it. El Pondo.
Beautiful landscaping, bananas, heliconias, lots of beautiful flowers all throughout the property. Some amazing landscaping.
Nice.
Over here, we have a nice yard with the kitchen overlooking the whole yard. Tea plants. Side area to go all the way around the house. We can come this way to the back of the yard. It's very beautiful.
Wow, Sarah. There's a lot of land here.
Yes. There is 8,100 square feet of land.
Wow. Well, that's enough room. Look at all this space for a garden. Oh, wow. Oh, that must be the little water catchment. Very cool.
Absolutely. That is the catchment water.
And you can always get a bigger one as well.
Left, you have hot water heater for your shower, solar, satellite in the side area, and more storage space underneath the house.
Nice.
And we can...
Well, let's check out what's inside. So this is what we call affordable in Hawaii on the Big Island. This property is listed for $92,500. The seller is willing to carry the note in what's called a purchase money mortgage with $20,000 down. Terms and interest are negotiable for qualified buyers, of course. Oh, wow, it looks like the seller did some cool cement work here before the bottom stair. Okay, there's Sarah.
Here's the kitchen with a sink, plumbing, and a and refrigerator.
Fridge. Wow, so this is kind of what they would call like Hawaii style outside kitchen, where theoretically you can screen this in and have your whole little kitchen dining area out here, which is really nice because the view is so pretty.
Absolutely.
Okay.
You're welcome.
So going into the little cabin.
It's quite spacious studio house with a 1-bath closet.
Oh wow, there's an attic up there as well. Cool.
Yeah. It's beautiful,
And
large windows.
is there a bathroom?
Yes, right here is the bathroom.
Oh wow, cool. So it has a toilet, shelves, looks like a shower.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. And a sink. Way cool. And a little window looking outside. Very nice.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
2 ceiling fans.
Very nice. Nice big open windows. And closet space. Wow, Sarah. This is really cool.
Yes.
And how close would you say it is to the ocean?
We're about 3 miles away from the ocean.
Wow.
There's Uncle Robert's down the highway. There's some beautiful spots that you can check out every day.
Oh, and the clothing optional beaches down there, yeah?
Yes,
Kahana Beach.
Kahana Beach is down there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a a lot to do. Pāhoa town is about 8 miles away, would you say?
Yep. And Pāhoa has shopping, restaurants, libraries, schools, gas, police, fire station, and brand new huge shopping center is coming with lots of new stores. I heard Vibe is coming to Pāhoa.
Really?
I love Vibe. Anyway, so yeah, so I think that's about it. Well, thank you, Sarah, so much for showing us this new listing.
Absolutely.
This is way cool. Thank you very much. From both of us, from eXp Realty on the Big Island of Hawaii. Aloha.